Okay, now let's create a put request for updating players information. Okay, so let me copy this post request, paste it below here. Instead of post, let's make it put, and instead of add, this should be update. Okay, we need to change the SQL query, so give a backticks instead of double or single quotation mark. We are going to use backticks. Update players and set name is equal single quotation mark and curly braces, $sign curly braces. There will be name. This name will come from here. Const name is equal request dot body dot name. Actually, we can just do like this. Request body, we can do JavaScript destructuring like this, name and club, both are same. Okay, so let me get rid of this name and with a comma, club is equal single quotation mark and $sign curly braces club. Okay, we don't need this value anymore since we have set the club and name in here. Okay, and we need to give this where clause, where id is equal question mark. This question mark we can get from here. After this SQL, there should be a array of id will come from request dot params dot id. Actually I did it previously, and this request dot param dot id will come from here. After this update, we need to give a colon id. Okay, whatever id we pass inside our put request, we can get from here. Okay, let's try it out. Once again, go to postman. Before updating, actually let me check all the record we have. Kylian Mbappe with PSG, so this is id of 14. Let's update it. id 14, let's update this. Open postman. Okay, once you have opened postman, go to post request. You have made previously, duplicate tab. Here instead of post, we have to make it put. Instead of add, this should be update, and we have set colon id. This colon id should be 14 since we want to update Kylian Mbappe from Paris Saint-Germain, and this is Kylian Mbappe Paris Saint-Germain. Let's change it to only Mbappe. Let's try it out, send it and see. Let's go to the browser and once again reload the page. This should be only Mbappe and this is Paris Saint-Germain. That means update is working perfectly. Let's try it out once again with another value. For example, let's try it with 11. This Neymar JR. Instead of Neymar JR, we can set it Edinson Cavani. id is 11. Okay, this body should be Neymar JR, but we have to change it to Edinson Cavani and club is Man UTD. Okay, let's send it. This is id of 11. Once again, go to phpMyAdmin, reload the page. You see on id 11 we have name Edinson Cavani and club Manchester United. There is no Neymar JR in here. Okay,